Welcome to this short tutorial. I will quickly show you around and explain the basics of using our product selection software, Heatex Select Online. Go to Heatex Select Online. Click Create Account. Complete the form with your details and consent. However, if you already have an account, click Sign In. Choose the product category you want to calculate. In the Product Overview section, you see a drawing of the product you are calculating. In the next section, Application, you find options that alter the user interface to accommodate the calculation you aim to do. Note that next to every input field is a question mark with a tooltip that might provide helpful information. In the next section, Air Data, you enter your specific air data, if needed, there is one set of input fields for a winter case and another set for a summer case. In the next section, Product Configuration, you will configure your air-to-air heat exchanger according to your needs. Start by choosing the model you think fits your application the best. Configure your heat exchanger according to your needs. Choose any options you might want. Click Calculate. You are presented with the performance results for your particular product configuration. Below the performance results is the summary section with the product description, including the total weight and dimensions. If you want to do another calculation, you can change the input values in air data or product configuration to achieve the performance results you need. Also, you can copy and paste your entered data into another tab by clicking Calculate in New tab. This allows you to easily compare your calculations. When you find the product configuration you need based on your air data, you can click Export to PDF to export your calculation to a PDF. That's it. I hope it was helpful. In case you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you for watching.